The S endings. In the language, if we add S to a word, the end of the word is not always pronounced S as it is written. In some cases, it is pronounced Z sound, and in other cases, it is sound. Words that end with these sounds below, the S sound for them is Z, B, D, G, L, M, N, Ng, R, Th, V, Y. Some examples: job, jobs, nod, nods, rug, rugs, pole, poles, Pam, pams, margin, margins, song, songs, door, doors, loath, loaths, glove, gloves, boy, boys. And words that end with these sounds below, the S sound for them is S, F, K, P, T, F. Ralph, Ralphs. Speak, speaks. Rope, ropes. Write, writes. Bath, baths. And words that end with these sounds below, the S sound for them is ch, j, s, sh, z, zh. Patch, patches. Edge, edges. Boss, bosses. Push, pushes. Close, closes. Mirage, mirages.